Assalamu alaikum, Happy New Year. This is Omar Farooq and welcome to my channel Farooq's English. I wish you a happy new year. May this new year bring happiness in your life and prosperity in your family. Promise, take a promise in this new year you will do every day a single good thing that will help other people. Promise and take a promise to help the poor people, those who are lagging behind in our society. In this new year, take a promise to be skilled and be determined to learn new things that will enhance your ability to go ahead. So we can learn new things every day in this new year, because this is the year of prosperity. This is the year of developing ourselves. In this new year, we can change our attitude, we can change our mindset up. We can think and rethink in this new year. Our good virtue, our good behavior can be enriched, can be enhanced, can be increased in this new year, because in our good behavior we are showing ourselves to others. So whenever we talk with other person, we should show our good behavior, our good virtue, and we should talk with a smile face. There is nothing but smile face is valuable more than anything other. In this modern world, we must need good communication skill. So try to develop your communication skill from today. This is the first year of this year 2024. I think this would be a prosperous and this will be a good year for you, and you have started the journey from today. You will be succeed. You will be succeed if you try, if you are honest. Definitely your success will bring in your feet. So work hard every day and try to learn something new. Behave with other people like a good person, and show up your personality to other person, that seems that you are just a fan-like person. You are a famous person and you are a good person. In this new year, we have to do a lot of work. If we want to do something better, if you want to do something good for ourselves and other people, we have to do a lot of work. For example, we can develop our new skill. There are so much skill around us. We don't know what is need for us. First of all, we have to find out what is the valuable skill that I must learn, that I have to learn. Find out it and try it every day. Inshallah, your everyday work one day will be a good sum, will be a hills-like amount. So I am going to wish you here again Happy New Year, and be happy in your new life. Be happy through the whole year 2024. Actually, this is my Happy New Year video. I wish my fans, my followers, and my well-wisher through this video, making this video. My dear followers, this is good information for you. Try to learn something every day and try to make it fruitful. You are learning and learning, but you are not making it fruitful. There is no value of your learning. Every day learn something and apply something. you're applying, one day will be your achievement. To get achievement, follow my instruction and try to follow my word. I mean, if you can say this is one kind of advice. I think this advice will help you to reach your new destination. So I'm going to end this video here. Happy New Year 2024. Bye bye.